Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'm just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 208. This is a tech edition with the 1.2 82 PS petrol engine in it, in a 5-door 5-speed manual. Now the car is in Nimbus Grey metallic and was registered September 2018 on a 68 plate. It was registered as a pre-reg car to Peugeot Motor Company, so they're the first keeper showing on the registration document, and the car has currently only done 8 miles. Now the Tech Edition comes with some lovely additional features over and above the standard cars, and that has active city brake, electric front and rear windows, folding door mirrors, the front and rear park sensors and rear camera also. I hope you enjoy the video.